is I'm going to go into Word. Now, there's two types of people that need to go into to create Word documents, and there's two people where this would be useful. So we've got those people that maybe in marketing, maybe you've got to create a marketing plan, maybe you've got a template plan, you've got activities, you need to translate that information over into that marketing plan. Maybe you're in HR. Off the other side of that, you don't need to create, yes, you might need to create a job description, but you've got some of those canned already. You're actually going into an interview. What you actually need to do is you need to compare two CVs. So what I'm going to do, and this is where we come into, those AI security principles, and we need to make sure that we've got the correct access for everyone. I'm going to provide a gap analysis between two candidates, and to reference documents, to look at my information, to look at that organizational information. All I've got to do is add the slash and then press reference your document. Now, it's decided to go on a go slow for some reason. So let's do it differently. So let's go that and then go. We're going to do Laura versus Sarah. Sarah, and then versus a job description, which is a cyber. There we are. That's the one that I want. Cyber sales security specialist. Got there in the end. What I'm going to do is I'm going to ask Copilot to organize the comparison into a table, provide recommendations on the more suitable candidate, and then suggest 3 interview questions. So Copilot's going to go off. It's going to take from that job description, right? These are the main points that have been put in that job description. Whether it be cybersecurity knowledge, they need to have a degree in cybersecurity. They need to be able to speak to customers. They need to be able to do demonstrations. Copilot's going to surface that information. It's going to create that into that table format. It's then going to look at the CVs, and it might not be in there in so much words, but it's going to start putting me that comparison against it. So as you can see, it's grouped it into 4 categories: cybersecurity knowledge, awareness, sales and negotiation skills, communication, and then put it into a table. So in this one, it's given us a 1:5 ratio, and then it's going to go through, it's going to give us a recommendation off the back of it. So again, we're not generating new content. This isn't something that's going to be sent off, or we're going to go into detail with anyone else internally, but it's getting us ready for an interview to make sure that we're ready for that interview and we're ready to ask the correct questions. And what are the interview questions that we should be asking this particular candidates or these particular candidates?